Prepare to be impressed by this architecturally designed residence, which offers elevated views, privacy and the ideal lifestyle section in a highly sought after neighbourhood within minutes to the centre of Havelock. The home is immaculately presented and sits in established grounds with a large heated in-ground pool and paddock below. Built in the 1980s, this exceptional design by Barry Sweet was forward-thinking with a floor plan that unfolds over 2 levels. 2 generously proportioned living spaces interconnect with both the kitchen and the outdoor entertaining area. Both bedrooms on the ground floor have walk-in wardrobes, en-suites and access to the garden. On the first floor, 2 double bedrooms with generous wardrobing share a family bathroom and take advantage of the views towards the ranges. A single garage with workshop plus an additional 4 carports provides enough covered area to park not only your vehicle but also your boat and trailer. The paddock below the house has drive-in access directly off Lane Road and via the driveway and would be perfect for a couple of sheep. If you are looking for the ultimate lifestyle, you should be viewing this highly desirable property. Call Nick or Daryl today